Hi, welcome to the Rugged Rundown. This week, here are 3 buying mistakes when purchasing a rugged laptop or tablet. So, number 1 is specifications. So, what specs are on the laptop? You need to determine what the minimum requirements are for your software to make sure that the laptop you're purchasing matches or either matches or exceeds those specs. That's the first mistake. The second mistake is buying by price alone. So you can buy a rugged laptop anywhere from $100 to $5,000. The old saying, you get what you pay for, is exactly true in this particular instance. The lower the payment, the lower the cost of the laptop, the older the unit becomes. And then we go back to mistake number 1, where does it meet the specs that you need to run your software? And mistake number 3 is mobility. You got to determine where you're going to be using your rugged computer. Are you going to be using it in a warehouse? Are you going to be at a construction site? Or will you have it mounted in your vehicle? These are things you need to ask. So here's an example. Do you want to carry, if you're in a warehouse situation and you're walking around the aisles of the warehouse taking scans of inventory, do you want to carry around a nice light tablet that has a barcode scanner on it that weighs maybe 2 pounds? Or would you like to carry around this fully rugged X500 that weighs 11 pounds? You might be able to buy this one cheaper, but the tablet, which may cost more, would be a better fit. So these are things you need to think about whenever you're buying a rugged laptop or tablet. I hope this helps you guys out. Please leave your comments. Let me know what you think. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week.